Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a video that is a bit different from my usual ones. It is a more casual video where I will show you what I cooked for my lunch, which varies from day to day. We stick to a vegetarian lunch on weekdays, weekends being non-vegetarian both for lunch as well as dinner. On today's menu there is a cauliflower curry with yellow lentils, a paneer curry with green peas and pan-fried eggplant, all to be relished with rice. So my friends, sit back, relax and watch what's on Bumbi's plate today. I will start with cauliflower yellow lentil curry. I like to dry roast the moong dal as it brings out a nice nutty flavor. Dry roast it on a low heat till the edges of the lentils turn into a very light brown color. You do not want to roast them too much as then they won't get soft. After they get roasted, give them a light rinse. Add hot water to the wok. Add the lentils when the water comes up to a boil. I like to remove the froth that floats on top. While my dal is getting cooked, I move on to the cauliflower. Add the cauliflowers once the dal is 80% cooked. You can make this in many ways. You can fry the cauliflower and then add to the dal, or you can even roast the cauliflower and then add them to the dal. You can even do this in a pressure cooker. First pressure cook the dal in your Instant Pot or in a regular pressure cooker, and then you can add the cauliflower later on. Today being a normal working day of the week, I am rushing to prepare my husband's lunchbox. So I am adding cauliflower straight into the dal without being bothered about frying or roasting them, and they taste good in this way as well. I added turmeric and chilli powder along with salt and added water along with green chilies and grated ginger. While the cauliflower is getting cooked, I started prepping for my next recipe, that is paneer with green peas. Some of you ask me that how I plan out cooking so many dishes. Well, it's a matter of practice and habit that I have been following for years. I make use of most of the burners on my stove. I prep in between while my curries are getting cooked so that one follows the other or sometimes moves on at the same time. So while my dal is getting cooked, I make use of the other burner on my stove to start cooking the paneer. Getting back to my dal, the cauliflower has become tender. Big chunky tomatoes jump in. along with my beloved coriander leaves. Then comes the final tempering of the oil or tadka. I heated some oil in a small pan and added a dry red chilli along with cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. And the whole crackling goodness, when combined with the dal, brings in a beautiful aromatic flavor, and cauliflower yellow lentil curry is all done. Now going back to the paneer, let's see how the tomatoes are looking. Well, they are saying they are all ready to receive the paneer. While my paneer is getting done, I will pan fry eggplants, which we also call as begun bhaja in Bengali. It's not that I always make a pan fried item, but I frequently like it as a side if I have the mood and energy. If not, then I fry papadums. At the same time, sometimes I make just a dal and a vegetable curry, and the family has to be happy with that. I finished the paneer curry by adding some frozen green peas and coriander leaves. So this is what is on my plate or thali today. It may look a bit complicated, but if you plan out in a proper way, everything will go very smoothly. Just trust me. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more of what's on Bumbi's plate or what I cooked for lunch or dinner. Please smash that like button and I will see you next time. Bye bye.